Here I have OPPO F3 and let me show you how to use here secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the phone's dialer. Let's open the following phone icon and let's use the first secret code. So let me open the engineer mode. Let's use *pound 3646633 #*. As you can see, the engineer mode just pops up. Here you can check out the telephony section, connectivity. Here you can use the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. You can check out hardware testing and test your audio, camera, sensors. You can see location settings, log and debugging, and others. That's it. Let's go back to quit this mode. You can also use the second engineer mode. Let's use just this code *808#. And as you can see, the following engineer mode just pops up. Here you can check out the assembly test project, device debugging. For example, you can test your vibration. Here you can see the camera configuration, media debugging. Here you can perform the Wi-Fi test. Here you can see communication debugging, and here you've got others. For example, you can check out the software version. Alright, let's go back. Now let me show you the special part of the engineer mode. Let's use this code *899#, and as you can see, the following engineer mode just pops up. Here you can use the following information. For example, you can perform the manual test. You can here perform the Bluetooth test. And you can check out also, for example, the product information and Imei info. That's it. So now you can go back to quit this menu, and it's time to check out the color OS version. So let's use this code *pound 1234#, and the color OS version just pops up in front of you. Alright, so tap OK to close this window, and let's start opening the Android testing menu. So let's here input *pound 4636##, and the Android testing menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose here phone information, when you can check Imei. You can read the current network, signal strength, location. You can run a ping test or use more key in order to select radio band, view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, or get PDP list. Use back key again, and it's time to open the battery information. Here you can check out the battery status, battery health, or the battery technology. Use back key one more time, check out user statistics. Here you've got the counter of your apps and usage time. Now let's open Wi-Fi information. Here you can select Wi-Fi API, when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, or get connection info. You can also go back and choose here Wi-Fi config and see configured networks. Alright, let's go back again. Let's choose Wi-Fi status. Here you can refresh all stats or run a ping test. So let's quit this menu. Now it's time to open the calendar info. So you need to use this code *pound 225##, and the calendar info just pops up in front of you. Use back key. Now it's time to open the Google Play service mode. So let's use this code *pound 426##, and Google Play services just pops up in front of you. You may also open here debug UI. So let's use this code *pound 759##, and debug UI just pops up. Here you can view clients IDs or change OEM mode. If you would like to quit this mode, let's use the back key, and at the end let me show you how to check the Imei number on this code on this device. Let's use this code *pound 06#, and the Imei number just pops up. So tap OK to confirm it, and everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.